truck stop. It's the first truck stop I've actually had my stuff displayed, which was about 5 years ago. This is the place where it actually started. I'm not gonna say the name, but it's in Jersey, and that's where it started. It actually started with 17 t-shirts in the store. That's it. Now we have the whole cubby all set up with 10 different designs. And I guess that's what it's all about. Look at that. Let's go inside the store and see what they got. This little truck stop up in New Jersey off of 46. Oh yeah, they got it. They got it. Somebody's got to do the cleanup. Damn, gotta put some more inventory in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They need more. Nice and clean. All folded up by the man. Oh yeah, by the way, I should ask if you know which truck stop that was. The name of it, where it's located. I already gave you one hint beforehand. But if you know where it's at, comment below. Let me know. Maybe I'll shoot you a free t-shirt or something. Or a free hat. Whatever. If you know it. If you know it, you know it. If you don't, you don't. But give it a shot.